You were crucified and laid behind the stone. You lived and died, rejected and alone, like a rose trampled on the ground. You took the fall, thought of me above all. Like a rose trembled on the ground, you took the fall.